time and money. I don't have either. Hi everyone, I'm Dara Lindsay, contributing editor at the Everygirl. I don't really have a lot of time to get ready. I also don't like spending a lot of money on cosmetics. Most of the stuff I buy are inexpensive products from the drugstore or online. So I'm sharing with you my 5-minute budget makeup routine. So everything I'm using is really affordable. I can do the whole routine in a couple of minutes and then be out the door and on with my day. How do makeup bloggers make this look interesting? The first thing I apply to my face is Olay Regenerating Lotion with SPF 50. I don't mess with the sun. You shouldn't either. Put the SPF on your face. So hydrated. I don't use foundation. I use this Garnier BB cream. Then I take this NYX Born to Glow Illuminator and I apply a little bit of that to the mix. Why do I do this? I read that Beyonce does it and puts it all over her body. Some people use beauty blenders and brushes and other things. I don't. If that grosses you out, you can leave. Found that beauty blenders really absorbed a bunch of the product. Since my foundation isn't full coverage, I can just kind of apply it like a moisturizer because that's what it is. Next, I just apply concealer. I just use whatever concealer is cheap at Target when I'm shopping for it. Right now it's an e.l.f. concealer. Get it 1 to 2 shades lighter than my skin tone so that it can act sort of as a highlighter under my eyes. You could use a beauty blender, you could use a brush. I just don't bother because I'm lazy, so that's real life. Next, I do a really quick contour. I use this Real Techniques brush. Let me just tell you, this palette is amazing for the money. I think it's like $3 or $4. It does the job. I just get like, kind of like a mix of those two. That's sort of what I'm going for. I was not #blessed with prominent cheekbones, so I contour a little higher up than I've seen other people do it. Because I'm trying to trick them with makeup witchcraft. A little bit up around. Next, I do brows. Really low maintenance with brows. I pluck them like twice a year. But I do use this Designing Brow Care. I got it on Amazon for a couple of dollars to fill in any patchiness, sort of build out that shape a little bit. Next up, eyes. I'm about to blow your mind with this product. The only eyeshadow product that I use are these NYX roll-on shimmer tubes. No, it's not the roll-on glitter that you know from middle school. This one's in the color nude, and all you do is roll that sucker on your eyelid. Bam, done. So sometimes that's good, that's all I'll do for eyeshadow. Other times I'll go with a second roll-on shimmer in walnut, which is a little bit darker, a little bit grayer, and I'll roll that in the crease to sort of get a blended out effect. Take that, Naked Palette. Liquid eyeliner. So I use the NYX Collection Noir paintbrush liner. If you're on a budget, I found that just sticking with the little paintbrush eyeliners will get you more bang for your buck because they won't dry out as fast and you'll get a darker line. For mascara, I'm using the MAC Insta Curl mascara. This is probably the most expensive item that I put on my face. I'm also gonna link to a different, more affordable mascara that I really love, so check that out in the description. I am certain that 100% of my forehead wrinkles come from applying mascara. Okay, so highlighter. I feel like I've really nailed an affordable way to get a really strong highlight. Start with the same NYX Born to Glow Illuminator, and this is like the shiny primer for my highlighters. It gives me a pretty dewy natural highlight, which I really enjoy. But if you want to take it one step further, add powder highlight on top. I use Flexitarian from ColourPop. Again, a couple of dollars, bought it online. I use this bamboo brush, which I also bought online for a couple of dollars. And just like that, it's like my cheekbones are made of metal. If I want a little more color, all I do is add a small amount of this lip stain. It's called Tony Tin, and it's a really strong stain, so you could swipe it all over and it would give you a really deep berry look. And that's more than enough. The best part about it is that it's a stain, so it sinks into your lips, it lasts a couple of hours, and nothing. Like, it's in there. And then I just use whatever lip balm I have around, and that's it. It only takes me a couple minutes. All the products I use are really inexpensive. I hope this helps you with your morning routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the Everygirl channel and leave a comment telling us what kind of content you want to see next. We're going to be doing and trying lots of new and exciting things at the Everygirl office. We hope you follow along. It's going to be an adventure. Thanks so much. Bye. This is what I'm supposed to do, right? Look down.